Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Zora Jose from Yarneedle Cafe. Welcome to my channel. I want to make in this video this beautiful scarf. It's for men. It's so nice. Look at the texture. I like it very much. It's super easy. It will not take time from you. It's 1 meter and 70 long, and it's I think 20, yes, it's 20, its width is 20 centimeters. Okay, in this scarf I used 2 balls of this yarn. Okay, it's kartopu AK soft. Its number, let's see, the color number is K940 and the lot is 70022. Okay, I needed 2 balls of that yarn to make this long 1 meter and 70 centimeters, 1 meter and 70, sorry, and the width is 20 centimeter. Okay, I used this hook. It's 5mm hook. Okay, so gather your supplies and tutorial I will use the lighter color, so in order to see the stitches. Okay, I will start with slip knot. That number of chains I will make 28 chains. Okay, you can make it wider, but be sure that the number of chains will be even. Okay, so in this one I made 28 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, sorry, 8. I will continue the chains and I will show you the first row. Okay, I made 28 chains. This row will be, all of it will be half double crochet. Okay, I will skip the first chain here. Okay, and make half double crochet into the second chain. So yarn over into the second one, push your hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops, okay, on your hook. So pull the yarn through all of these 3 loops. Again, yarn over into the next chain, push your hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 of them. Pull through all these 3 loops, and again yarn over, push your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through these 3 chains. I will continue till the end. Okay, go ahead, continue your half double crochets and I will meet you there. And yes, I reached to the last chain. I will make half double crochet here. All of this row is just half double crochets, and the row is the next of this row will be also half double crochets. Okay, chain 1, turn your work. At the very first one here I will make half double crochet and I will keep making half double crochets all the way long. Okay, this is the row number 2. First row half double crochets, second row half double crochets. Okay, go ahead, continue making half double crochets and I will meet you at the end of this row. So I finished the row number 2. The first row half double crochets, the second row also will be half double crochets. Okay, the next 2 rows I will make will be our pattern, our repeating. Okay, it's just 2 rows repeating. So this number of stitches are 25. Okay, you have to count the stitches every time you finish the row. Okay, now chain 1 into the next 3 stitches. I will make half double crochets. Okay, in the very first one, half double crochet, again half double crochet, and again half double crochet. Okay, I made 3 half double crochets. Now I will make front post stitch. Okay, like to make my scarf, to give my scarf this beautiful texture. Okay, like this one here. So into the next chain, okay, this is the last one, into the next chain here I will make front post stitch. How? Yarn over, push your hook around this stitch, okay, pull up a loop, and you will have 3 loops here. Pull through 2 loops and again through 2 loops. You will have front post stitch. Okay, now into this the next 3 stitches I will make half double crochets. Don't make anything in this one behind the front post. Okay, so half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Good. Now after 3 half double crochets, I will make front post stitch into this the next stitch. Okay, you see this is the last one, half double crochet. The next stitch will be here. Okay, yarn over, push your hook round the stitch like that, pull up a loop, and you will have 3 loops. Pull through 2 loops and again pull through 2 loops. You have 2 of front post stitches. Into the next 3 stitches I will make half double crochet. Don't forget, and make one here, it's behind the front post. Skip it and start into the next stitch. And again I will show you how to make a front post. Okay, I made half double crochets into the next stitch here, yarn over, push your hook round this stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Continue like that. Go ahead till the end of this row. Okay, keep making 3 half double crochets and front post. Okay, I will meet you there. So yes, we finished this row. After you finish this row, you will find 1 2 3 4 5 6 front post stitches. Okay, the next row will be just half double crochets. Okay, because it's the back side of your scarf. Okay, chain 1 and continue making half double crochets each stitch. Okay, this is the back side of the scarf and this is the front side. Okay, where is the front post stitches. Continue making half double crochets till the end of this row. I reached to the end of this row. Don't forget the last stitch will be hidden. Don't miss that. Okay, and every time count your stitches. Okay, now I will make chain 1. This is the front side of my scarf. Okay, now As before, I will make 3 half double crochets, and on this front post stitch I will make front post stitch. Let me show you how. The first 3 stitches will be half double crochets. Okay, now this is my front post stitch. Okay, yarn over and round this, push your hook round this front post, okay, like that, and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops. Pull up a loop here, pull the yarn here and through these 2 loops. Okay, look at the texture, and again I will make 3 half double crochets into the next 3 stitches. Okay, this is the second one and this is the third one. Now I will meet my front post stitch. Okay, yarn over, push your hook here round this stitch, front post stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops, and again I will make 3 half double crochets. Don't forget that behind front post stitch don't make anything. Half double crochet, half double crochet, and half double crochet. Front post time. Okay, yarn over, push your hook round this front post stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and like that continue making 3 half double crochets front post stitch till the end of this row. Okay, and don't forget you should have 27 stitches. And this is the end result, the final result. 3 half double crochets and front posts every time. You see the last 2 rows that I made, this is our repeating. Okay, don't forget that. At the next step I will make chain 1 and continue in the back side of my scarf. I will make just half double crochets. When I finish the half double crochets row, I will make 3 half double crochets and 1 a front post stitch. And that's our tutorial for today. I hope that you like this tutorial. I hope that you make this scarf. It's so nice. If you like what I'm making, please subscribe my channel. Okay, send me if you make any projects of mine. You will find many videos that you will like. Okay, it's step by step. Every video I download, it's step by step. I didn't forget any step. I'll skip any step. So thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in the next video.